Have you ever looked up and wondered where all the time has gone? One moment it's the start of the year, and the next, you're celebrating the holidays again. Birthdays, seasons, and special moments seem to fly by in the blink of an eye. This sensation is not just a fleeting thought, it's a profound experience shared by many across the globe. Today, we're diving deep into the mystical side of this feeling of time speeding up. Stay with us as we uncover the spiritual secrets behind this phenomenon and learn how it shapes our lives in ways we might not even realize. Get ready to embark on a journey through the realms of time, consciousness, and divine timing. The evolution of time perception. Humanity's understanding of time has morphed dramatically over the ages, mirroring our evolving grasp of the universe and our place within it. Ancient cultures perceived time as a cyclical pattern rather than a linear progression. For them, time was tied to the seasons and lunar phases. The Maya, for instance, developed intricate calendars based on their belief in time's cyclical nature, which influenced their predictions and rituals. This cyclical view fostered a sense of continuity and renewal, encouraging harmony with nature's rhythms. Similarly, the ancient Egyptians saw time as a series of recurring cycles, embodied in their concept of ma'at, the eternal order of the universe, maintained through daily rituals and adherence to cosmic laws. This perspective offered them a sense of stability and purpose, grounding their civilization's achievements in the eternal balance of the cosmos. If you are watching the video, then subscribe the channel and also comment your opinion. Let's continue. The shift from cyclical to linear time perception marked a pivotal moment in human history. The invention of mechanical clocks in medieval Europe introduced a new understanding of time as a continuous, forward-moving progression. This change reflected broader societal transformations, such as the rise of commerce, industry, and individualism. With clocks, people could measure time with unprecedented precision, revolutionizing daily life, regulating work hours, and structuring social activities. The relentless ticking of the clock became a symbol of progress and efficiency, driving the innovations of the Industrial Revolution and shaping our modern fast-paced society. As we moved into the digital age, our perception of time continued to evolve. The advent of the internet and mobile technology brought about an era of instant communication and information overload, further accelerating our experience of time. We now live in a world where everything is expected to happen quickly, from emails to social media updates, creating a constant sense of urgency and a feeling that time is slipping away faster than ever. This relentless pace can lead to burnout and stress, prompting a renewed interest in ancient wisdom and practices that encourage a more balanced relationship with time. The ascension process and time. In spiritual circles, the concept of ascension describes a profound transformation of human consciousness and existence. This process, believed to elevate individuals to higher states of awareness and being, significantly alters our perception of time. As we ascend, our experience of time undergoes a remarkable transformation. One of the most intriguing aspects of ascension is the shift from viewing time as linear to experiencing it as multidimensional. Traditionally, we see time as a straight line, moving from past to present to future. This linear perspective deeply influences our daily lives, guiding our schedules and shaping our understanding of progress and change. However, as we undergo spiritual ascension, our awareness expands, and we begin to perceive time differently. Multidimensional time perception emerges, where past, present, and future are interconnected and fluid. In this state, moments of insight or déjà vu, where we feel we've experienced something before, become more common. These experiences reflect our expanded consciousness, where different points in time can be accessed simultaneously. This shift can be exhilarating yet disorienting. We might find ourselves reflecting on past events with new understanding, or anticipating future possibilities with clarity that transcends logical planning. The rigid boundaries of time dissolve, allowing us to live more fully in the present moment, appreciating the richness of each experience. Ascension also brings about a heightened sense of synchronicity, where meaningful coincidences occur more frequently. These synchronicities serve as guideposts, affirming that we are on the right path and aligned with our higher purpose. They remind us that time is not a linear constraint, but a fluid and dynamic aspect of our spiritual journey. By embracing this multi-dimensional view of time, we can navigate life with greater ease and grace, trusting in the divine timing of our experiences. Consciousness and time perception, our awareness and mental state profoundly impact how we experience the passage of time, offering deep insights into our existence and the power of the mind. One of the most fascinating concepts linking consciousness and time perception is the flow state, a mental state of complete immersion and engagement in an activity, often leading to a sense of timelessness. In flow, people report that time either slows down or speeds up, becoming almost irrelevant to their intense focus and enjoyment of the moment. The experience is so rewarding that individuals pursue it for its own sake, even at great cost. In this state, the perception of time shifts dramatically, highlighting the deep connection between consciousness and our experience of time. When in flow, our usual awareness of time fades because our consciousness is fully aligned with the present moment. This alignment creates a powerful sense of fulfillment and productivity as we are completely absorbed in the task at hand. Athletes describe being in the zone during peak performance, where minutes feel like seconds and hours fly by unnoticed. Artists, writers, and musicians often experience this state, where creativity flows effortlessly and the boundaries of time dissolve. The flow state also has profound implications for our spiritual practice. Meditation, for instance, can induce a similar sense of timelessness, allowing us to connect with deeper aspects of our consciousness and the universe. As we cultivate mindfulness and presence, we become more attuned to the nuances of each moment, enriching our spiritual journey and enhancing our overall well-being. This heightened awareness helps us appreciate the beauty and significance of the present, transforming our relationship with time and fostering a sense of inner peace and balance. Divine timing and cosmic plan. In the grand tapestry of the universe, divine timing and the cosmic plan offer profound spiritual perspectives on time perception. This belief suggests that events unfold according to a higher perfect order, aligning with our soul's journey and the greater universal harmony. The idea of divine flow posits that everything happens for a reason and at the right moment. This belief can transform our experience of time from one of anxiety and impatience to one of peace and acceptance. When we embrace the concept of a cosmic plan, we begin to view our lives from a broader, more meaningful perspective. Often we see time as something to control, filling our days with to-do lists and deadlines. However, the concept of divine timing challenges this mindset, encouraging us to release the need for control and trust in the universe's perfect timing. By aligning ourselves with the cosmic flow, we start to see delays and detours not as setbacks, but as essential parts of our spiritual journey. For example, consider times when you faced unexpected obstacles or significant delays. Initially, these moments may cause frustration, but they often lead to unforeseen opportunities or critical lessons that enhance our growth. This realization shifts our perception of time, allowing us to see it not as a linear race, but as a fluid and purposeful progression. To live in sync with the cosmic plan, we need to cultivate patience and trust. This means embracing the present moment and having faith that the universe's timing is always perfect, even if it doesn't align with our immediate desires or expectations. Practices such as meditation, journaling, and mindful reflection can help us tune into this divine flow, providing clarity and reassurance during uncertain times. When we trust in divine timing, we become more attuned to the signs and synchronicities around us. These guide us toward our true path, affirming that we are exactly where we need to be. This attunement reduces stress and fosters a sense of inner peace as we learn to let go of the rush and enjoy the journey. Additionally, understanding divine timing encourages us to set intentions and goals with a sense of flexibility and openness, allowing the universe to work its magic in ways we might not have anticipated. This approach nurtures a sense of wonder and gratitude, enriching our spiritual journey and deepening our connection to the divine. Karmic cycles and time acceleration. The concept of karma, rooted in ancient spiritual traditions, teaches that our actions create ripples in time, shaping our future experiences. It suggests that life events are interconnected, continuously influencing and being influenced by our deeds. In recent times, many spiritual seekers and teachers have observed a phenomenon where these cycles seem to be accelerating, impacting our perception of time and the pace at which we experience life. This quickening means that the effects of our actions return to us faster than before. Previously, the consequences of certain actions might have taken years or even lifetimes to manifest. However, in our current era, many believe these cycles are speeding up, causing immediate or near-immediate results. This acceleration can be both exhilarating and daunting. On one hand, it provides us with the opportunity to learn and grow rapidly. We receive immediate feedback on our actions, allowing us to make swift adjustments and align more closely with our higher selves. Positive actions yield quick rewards, reinforcing beneficial behaviors and encouraging a more conscious way of living. On the other hand, this quickening also means that negative actions bring about consequences more rapidly. This can feel overwhelming as we face the results of our less mindful choices sooner than expected. However, this accelerated return is a powerful motivator for personal growth and spiritual development. It urges us to become more aware of our thoughts, words, and actions, fostering a deeper sense of responsibility and intentionality. As we navigate these accelerated karmic cycles, it's essential to practice self-compassion and forgiveness. Recognizing that we are all on a learning journey helps us approach our experiences with a growth mindset, viewing mistakes as opportunities for insight and transformation. By embracing this perspective, we can navigate the rapid pace of life with greater